My name is Nermin Haljeta. I come from Europe, from small country Slovenia, and my main position in football is striker, center forward. We were speaking for some time, I don't know, 1-2 weeks. We needed to finish all the things with my previous club, so when this all happened, someone by the club and the coach, both, in both ways. I heard something about it, I read and I watched some videos. I saw that it's
What do you think
pretty...
after saw the video?
Yeah, it's very nice. It looks very... It's very nice to play in that atmosphere. Okay, I know. Of course, I want to represent myself in the best way possible. I want to help the team so we can achieve our goals, and I'm sure we will do that. Previously, I didn't have any problem with adaptation. Of course, when you change the country and everything, you need some time to adapt to the lifestyle, to the style of football. But I think from my previous experiences, I will not have any troubles with adaptation. So I hope it will happen fast. We need to work harder, put our heads up. If we have our goal, we need to do everything to achieve this goal. So just head up, work harder, and when you work hard, the things will pay off. What I would like to say to the supporters is that for sure we will give our best to achieve our goals, and we hope they will help us with achieving that goal. And we hope that we will make them proud, so they will be happy at our own stadium. Prosim vse navijače kluba PSM Makassar, da nadaljujejo svojo podporo klubu in nam, vsem v klubu. Ewako! Prosim vse navijače PSM Makassar, again.
It's okay.
Prosim vse navijače PSM Makassarja, da nadaljujejo s svojim podpiranjem nas in našega kluba.